What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to discuss here in today's video is just a brief update on our 500 to 100K small account challenge. And if you guys have been following along, can you please comment in the comment section below? Right there with you. Now, today's price action did basically shake up the market. As you guys can see here, terrible day for the market overall, but not for the Making Easy Money Discord at all, ladies and gentlemen. If you take a brief look and check out how things are going here in our small account challenge, today was a very volatile day for sure, but our Boeing put options is looking pretty darn good. We did actually sell 15 of those here today for a nice profit. We're currently up 80% on unrealized gain here. And far as our OKLO puts, as you guys know, that thing is looking pretty well as well. We're gonna hold on to our OKLO puts. As you guys know, this contract expires here on the 4th, next Friday. I do feel as though that stock stands a very great chance to test those $24 levels here before the expiration of that contract. And if we do so happen to see $24 here by, let's say, the day of expiration, ladies and gentlemen, we will see an increase of 41% from what we see here today. But if things really do get rocky and we actually do see those $22 levels, then that's 148% increase in price from what the contract currently sits here at today. Far as our DM short position, things are basically still hanging around. If we take a brief look and check out that 15-minute chart, huge buying pressure here. The last 30 minutes of the pre-market, but things did mellow out here. I do feel as though that we're going to see massive downwards pressure here overall in DM. We're going to hold this short position long term. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't already and you do want to be a part of our 500 to 100K challenge, all you have to do is join the Discord if you do want to get the alerts in real time, because it does take time for me to create and upload these videos. So being a part of the Discord, you will get an edge on that. I do plan on making a trade here pretty soon before the day is over with. So with that being said, make sure you guys get over to the Discord, and may the gains be with you.